Welcome to our channel. We continue our incredible journey across America, and we spent the entire second day at Universal Studios Hollywood. Together, we will tour the film sets of the most famous movies shot by this studio. Enjoy watching.
If you haven't seen it, please come see it. Fire effects, water effects. You'll want to have your cameras out for great photo opportunities, but you do have the possibility of getting wet if you're sitting in a blue seat, so watch out. And finally, for your safety and for those around you, please do not use selfie sticks while you are on board. You know, this is the only place in the entire world where you can go directly from a theme park into a real working television and movie studio. We start by driving down the movie timeline. There's some posters on the left and right, which is here on the right-hand side. That is not a movie set. That is a real LA County fire station, Fire Station 51. We need to have these real city amenities in order to make our city function. Our city is different than the one that you are from. For one, we don't have real residents, okay? Nobody technically lives here. We just have park guests and we have employees for the day. So no real neighborhoods or homes. Instead, we have the front lot. We have sound stages. Those are big warehouse buildings where we can construct any type of interior scene that we might need. We are actually building more sound stages on our lot these days. We're adding to the number. We're up to 36 total sound stages, so multiple interior scenes can be filmed at the same time. Take a look to your left to see Soundstage 12. That is where they have filmed episodes of The Voice in years past. Like I said, here on the lot, I think they're in between seasons 22 and 23. They just wrapped up season 22 of The Voice. By 23, we'll be back probably before you know it. Stage 12 has also been used for some other famous movie scenes that you'll see on your screens now. As soon as one of these productions is done filming, they remove their specific sets and they leave the stage blank and available. So the next production can come in, build whatever they might need in the future. We've got an active show filming here on our left-hand side. It's not the holiday break for everybody quite just yet. An NBC series is filming over here called Grand Prix. Grand Prix is all about friends and wine. Sounds like a fun show. They're in their second season of filming. The first season has aired so far on NBC. It did well enough. Season 2 is back. It's filming on the lot. They're filming an episode today. Yeah, they're not off for the break quite just yet. A little bit further down here, there's some more stages that are in use for a Peacock series. Some of these are also used for a show called Bel Air. Bel Air is a revival, a retelling of The Fresh Prince of Bel Air, the show that you know with Will Smith. This time around, Will Smith produces this version. He doesn't star. Yeah, there it is.
You're sailing to the Lost Island, you're encountering monsters and creatures from prehistoric times.
Yes, that's exactly what we are going to be encountering next. Get those 3D glasses ready. Don't have to put them on quite just yet. We'll let you know exactly the right. Involves this mobile lab unit. You're going to see the same mobile lab vehicle coming up on your left. It's up here towards the front of the tram right now. This mobile lab is built to be lightweight. so they can perform the scene you're watching, so they can have it dangle precariously off the side of a cliff. Because of that, most of this mobile lab is just made out of plywood. We do have the props and dinosaurs still out here in case you might need them for future Jurassic filming. You never know where some of those dinosaurs might show up. Sorry about that, folks. We had no dangle precariously off the side of the cliff. Because of that, most of this mobile lab is just made out of plywood. We do have the props and dinosaurs still out here in case you might need them for future Jurassic filming. You never know where some of those dinosaurs might show up. Here in beautiful sunny Southern California. We can create our own weather here on the back lot, and we can have different types of it happening in different areas all at the same time, if need be. Well, right now Mike is bringing us here to this part of the back lot that we call Old Mexico, and this area is rigged up for a little weather demonstration. We're going to show you how we can create a thunderstorm at any time of day. We've already got the strobe lights on, the sound effects. They brought out speakers here so we can hear the sounds at night too. It's not too hard to create rain in Old Mexico. We just have sprinklers hooked to the top of some of those telephone poles. It shoots the water into the air, and then it just falls back down to earth naturally.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, that flash flood was just the result of releasing thousands of gallons of water from up there at the top of the hill.
We'll show you how that flood looks on camera. If you are a Fast and Furious fan, we have some real-life cars from those movies. Over there in the back left area, we've got some Fast and Furious picture cars from some of the most recent films. But if you are a fan of classics, if you know a lot of thrillers, movies, if you know Alfred Hitchcock, I bet you'll know this next scene. Of us, we might have to double or triple or quadruple up, but we'll make it work. Oh no. Oh, this might not have been the best time to stop by the motel. Tell you what, we'll stay quiet. No, I think he spotted our tram. Norman! Oh, Norman, what's with the knife? We talked about this. Norman, don't take the fourth car. Not again, Norman, no! To Universal Studios Hollywood so they could film this one and only scene from War of the Worlds. Take a look. Phil. The airplane that you see on your left-hand side, that is a real 747. They purchased it from an airplane graveyard. They took it apart piece by piece, loaded each piece onto a flatbed truck, drove each piece here to Universal Studios Hollywood so they could film this one and only scene from War of the Worlds. Take a look.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision that Stephen had.
When you first began to sit down to talk about War of the World, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep pressing me. Listen, now, listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Sit down closed.
Robbie, get in. Get in. When they put together this scene out here, it took them 3 weeks to construct it. Another week to film on it. In the movie, the scene's on screen for an entirety of just 4 minutes. So all of that work for just 4 minutes worth of camera time in War of the Worlds. Speaking of minutes, we are approximately 10 minutes from the end of our tour. We will be returning to the theme park shortly. Remember to pull the emergency cord if you need assistance and remain seated at all times. Universal's been fortunate enough to work with these Academy Award-winning directors like Steven Spielberg, Alfred Hitchcock, our latest and greatest, Mr. Jordan Peele.
Team of collaborators, often in the work together to take an impossible mission and bring it to life. This is Jupiter's Planet, the nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Jupiter. Over there, look into the winking lab. and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Show. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? Why? A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience, built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. It's not looking so live anymore. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy, Gold Rush Frontier Town lies a sinister secret. It is smack dab in the center of a UFO hotspot. Welcome to the world of the moon.
That's right. Happy trails. It's closing time.
Yeah, that sounds fun. Definitely going to take them up on that offer, right? Now, the main part of the party is actually happening in the next room. They asked us to hang out here first. They said they were just going to brief us on the situation. I don't know what that means. So I guess we'll find out from them. I think we're going to find out right now.
My name is Roman Pierce.
Our video is coming to an end, and many will be surprised by the absence of one of the most famous shows, Waterworld Stunt Show. And of course, we visited it, and we'll definitely show it in the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and see you.